Oo,
ito,
tama.
yun yung client.
Oo,
Ayan yun, oh.
Si
Lapit mo yun, oh.
tatay.
Sir, may ano siya eh, may iCloud account siya. May account. Sa inyo po ba ito?
Nabili ko lang na.
Nabili niyo na. Hindi kasi kami gumagawa ng iCloud, mga ganyan. Nabili niyo lang sa ganun. Sa tao.
Magkano niyo po ba nabili, sir?
Sabi,
Mura naman!
Ito na lang, sir. Hindi kami gumagawa ng iCloud account. Kasi kung may-ari nito, hindi niyo po ba alam? Pero pwede niyong sulit ito. May-ari. So, pinapilan niyo po. Ito na po, kuya.
May nag-review sa Google natin, 1 star. Ano? Ito nga. Oh no! Sino yan? Ba't nang 1 star? Ang sabi niya, "Hi, my iPad was stolen and find my iPad shows that the iPad is at your store and someone is trying to unblock it." Tapos sabi niya, Starlight white iPad mini 6th gen.
Yun yung kulay niya.
Yun yung kulay niya. Tapos nagtatanong siya, "Please let me know if you saw it." Yung isang iPad lang, tapos yung matandang, yung lalaki, ang dala, mini 6.
Tinatanong kung magkano pa remove ng passcode.
Oo, kasi ang sabi niya, yung nabili daw kasi niya, pag-graduate daw niya sa anak niya. Kasi graduation niya yung month na to.
Graduation.
Sinabi namin sa kanya kanina, wag na lang niya ipagawa kasi hindi tayo nagre-remove sinuggest na lang natin na ibalik sa tunay na may-ari, di ba? Ito sinabi ko sa kanya. Tignan mo, Ram, dyan lang kasi rito, naririnig mo lang eh. Ang sabi ko sa kanya, there was one customer na nagpa-check, Tagalog pa na-reply ko, mukhang foreigner. Kasi apelyido niya, Ordinart Seva.
Ordinate
Seva, mukhang siguro ibang bansa to. There was one customer na nagpa-check ng broken iPad. Would you like us to help you? Tayo natin mag-reply. Mga kaibigan, tayo namin yung reply, tapos sabihan namin kayo. "Hi, I'm emailing you from Google. It wasn't broken, but it's blocked because there was someone who stole it. Could you please help me find any information that you have?" I-replyan ko na siya. Sabi ko nga, yun yung story Then ito yung reply niya. Kasi nag-request ako ng video call eh. "I'm currently in Russia, but if you have WhatsApp, that would be amazing." 54. Hi. Hi, good morning. Hi. I saw your review on our Google Maps. And
Yes, that's it.
unfortunately, your iPad was stolen, am I correct?
Yeah, it's a video. It's better without a video if you have bad Wi-Fi.
Oh, because we need this for verification of our conversation.
Okay. Yeah.
This is the story. There was one customer who went to our store asking him, he asked us to fix the iPad that he got. So we opened the iPad here in our store, and we noticed that there was an iCloud account signed in on the iPad.
Yeah, that's correct because I blocked it.
Yes. So we told the customer that we don't do iCloud removal and we don't support the removal of those. That person needed money and he bought the iPad as a gift to his son. The customer bought the iPad without even knowing that it's stolen. We suggested him just to return it.
Unfortunately, this iPad was stolen in Italy, in Rome, by gypsies, and gypsies sold it to this person who came to you.
Gypsy? What's a gypsy?
Egyptian.
What?
Gypsies, these bad people, they stole my things Italy, in Rome.
So it traveled here to the Philippines.
I don't know how it got from there.
Okay. Just for verification, what is the color of the iPad?
It's white, Starlight White.
Starlight
the
White.
iPad Mini 6G.
Do you
Starlight
still-
White without ink.
Do you still have the serial number for us to know that the iPad is really yours?
I'm gonna email you now a serial number.
Sure. Here's the plan. First,
Mhm.
I will call you in maybe 2 days, 1 or 2 days from now. I need to make a coordination with the customer who went here to inquire about the iPad repair. Because I will call you again, video call, with the person who got your iPad.
Cool, that's
So we will be the middleman between you and him. I will just message you back on WhatsApp when we are ready and the exact date.
okay. I cannot hear you.
Okay.
But it's
I will-
I understood that you will call me in 2 days.
Yes, I will call you in 2 days, in 1 or 2 days from now, together with the person who got your iPad, and then let's see how it goes about the transaction. How can you get it back? Okay?
Okay. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay.
That was great.
Sure, no
Thank-
problem. no
Because
problem.
they first went to SMCT and to this cyber zone. I saw that,
Well-
and then they went to you.
Oh, okay. Have you been to the Philippines?
No, never.
Okay, alright,
Yeah,
see
let's
you.
stay.
Alright, bye.
See.
Love you.
Ginagawa mo.